NAL Saras, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, HAL Tejas, HAL Pushpak, HAL Light Observation Helicopter, Sukhoi Su-30MKI, HAL Light Combat Helicopter, HAL Lancer, HAL Kiran, HAL HPT-32 Deepak, HAL HJT-36 Sitara, HAL HF-24 Marut, HAL Dhruv, Hawker Siddeley HS 748, HAL Ajeet.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.